everybody, this is Joanna with Abstract Art Journal, and today I was going to show you a watercolor sketchbook flip. So what I was trying to do is I wanted to try to use all of my watercolors just to see what I could get. Now these were on site at a park I go to, and this was a Yarka watercolor with all of these are with water brushes. Okay, same thing. This is Yarka watercolor. This is another Yarka watercolor. Now this one I wanted to try with the ink pen I had. This is a micron sketch, a micron pen sketch with Yarka watercolor over it. This is a fountain pen sketch. This is from a photo at the beach, and this is Winsor Newton Cotman watercolors. Okay, this is a fountain pen sketch of a photo from the beach, and this is with Koi watercolor. This is a fountain pen sketch with Koi watercolor. This is another fountain pen sketch with Koi watercolor. I was really into that. This is another fountain pen sketch with Koi watercolor. This is a Winsor Newton Cotman watercolor sketch, and I used saran wrap to try to get some kind of texture in the clouds and the sand. Okay, this actually was with a rollerball pen. The rollerball pens have waterproof ink, and this is Winsor Newton Cotman watercolor on it. Okay, this is also this is a Winsor Newton Cotman watercolor sketch. This is with the rollerball pen with Yarka watercolor. This is a fountain pen with Koi watercolor. This is with the rollerball pen with Koi watercolor. The fountain pens I'm using waterproof ink. Now this is a actual sketch with Chinese ink and a sumi brush, and I put Cinelaire watercolor over it. This is also a sketch with sumi brush and Chinese ink, and this has White Nights watercolor. And this one, same thing, sketch with sumi brush and Chinese ink, and this is Winsor Newton Cotman watercolor. Okay, this is a rollerball sketch with Koi watercolor. This is a rollerball sketch, and this is actually Artist Loft watercolors. That's like that student watercolor that's very inexpensive. This is actually a Jinho X450 fountain pen with violet ink that is water soluble. So that came out good. This is a Jinho 450 fountain pen with the violet ink. This is a Jinho 750 fountain pen with Namiki blue ink. This is a Jinho 750 fountain pen sketch with Lamy turquoise ink. Jinho 750 fountain pen with Lamy turquoise ink. This is a fountain pen sketch with the Lamy turquoise ink again. This was actually done with just a regular ballpoint pen and then Koi watercolor over it. Okay, so this is on watercolor paper now. I did this with a mechanical pencil, and this is Winsor Newton Cotman watercolor. This is also done with a mechanical pencil with White Nights watercolor. This is a mechanical pencil again with Cinelaire watercolor. Now this next set are abstract watercolors that I was trying to do. These all are done with sumi brushes and then different watercolors. So this is Kuretake watercolor. This is Yarka watercolor. This one is White Nights watercolor. This is Cinelaire watercolor. This is Winsor Newton Common Watercolor. This is Prima Watercolor from the Tropical set. This one is Koi Watercolor. This is just Lamy Blue ink that I was like fooling with. Okay, now this next set are all watercolor crayons or water-soluble pencils. So this is just a water-soluble crayon that I was, did from the side, and then all of these I did the sumi brush with water over it. This is Neocolor 2 watercolor crayon, also from the side. This is General Sketch and Wash water-soluble pencil. This one is the Faber-Castell water-soluble pencil. This is just a charcoal pencil, which I wanted to see if that was water-soluble. This is an 8B graphite stick, same thing. I just wanted to see if it was water-soluble. And then I just had a couple of extra ones. I had been doing some fluid acrylics, and so I wanted to see if I could get a watercolor effect with that. So this is actually fluid acrylics on this one. This also is fluid acrylics for the abstract. And same thing with this, with different sumi brushes. Okay? I hope you liked that, and I hope you found it helpful to you in your watercolor experiments. Thanks, and have a great art day.